Here's Yaga app. This app is growing pretty fast in the charts, and I just wanna give you a quick tutorial how it looks like. What is that? So yeah, this app is one of alternatives to Zenly app. It's a social mapping app. And also you can import your Zenly data to JAGAT with just one tap. But yeah, as you probably know, like the Zenly app was discontinued. It was shut down, I think, during this winter this year. And then, all the features of Zenly kind of going in Snapchat, but Snapchat seems is not that good and people just want a separate app for the social mapping. And then, so here you just create account in the app. You need to give permission to your location to be always if you plan to use this app a lot. And then, this is how it looks like. You can invite your friends, but then, this is the idea of the app. And then, you can just browse around. You can see some places. Then you can fill on discovery mode, so you can see other people posts. So that's called the radar. Then you can see kind of the movements, what, for example, you're moving around and how like your movement process looks like. So you can see there's like a grayish color here. But for example, then you can just go to settings. There is a ghost mode. Of course, the idea is that you can add friends here, and then friends set to precise will see real-time and accurate location, or you can see frozen location. Friends set to frozen will see your last location prior to being frozen and will no longer receive location. To add friends, just tap on this friends icon, and then you can search them by ID, and then you can just enter their ID. You can scan QR code, you can see your own QR code, or you can see your own ID, and then you can just share it. You can also add it from your contacts. You can see your contacts and add it from there. I don't know what this now is. Okay, so this is just like notifications. And then this is kind of like a now feature. Okay, seems it's kind of similar to TikTok, whatever. I can just take a photo of my table. And then, you can change only to friends or change to everyone. And then just tap send, or you can also add this caption. And that's basically the idea. This kind of like a TikTok now. Or like be real kind of feature. Then you can also invite people, so invite friends to join JAGAT. So you can you can just do that easily. So for example, if I want to do that, so you can use my link. Or okay, this link is actually pretty long, but here is my share code. Can use that. So that's basically the idea. And then you can see where you're located right now. So this is just automatically synced. Then you can see just your account, how it looks like. You can change your profile picture, get more pops, get your friends to join and boost your pops ranking, climb the leaderboard and reach the top. Have no idea what that is. What are pops? Your pops will display every person you have invited to join JAGAT and become your friend. The more people you invite, the more pops you'll get. Getting more pops will also unlock different rewards, interact with your friends, and participate in pops ranking. You can get more pops just from adding friends. Level 1 pops plus 10 points. Every time you successfully invite a friend to join JAGAT, you will get 10 points. So And then you can get this Pops leaderboard. When you reach 100 points, your global ranking will also be displayed, so you can see how you stack up against JAGAT users around the world. So yeah, that's the idea. So yeah, then you have just your settings. You can reach, if you don't like the app, you can just easily delete your account with all your data. You can unlink Google, Apple. You can change language. So here are the available languages. Yeah, there's like pretty wide selection of languages which you can use here. You can just also go to privacy settings, hide your contacts, who can see your wall, everyone, only friends, or only you. So you can change the whole privacy setting of your account if you wanna. Then you can also just read FAQ sections if you're just new to this app. And then there is this cool feature where you can import Zenly data. There is a separate tutorial. So you need to have received the link from Zenly app, and so you needed to download from Zenly. I don't know if you can still download this link though. So that's like a zip archive you should have received. After you unzip, decompress the file and open the unzipped folder, you can see another folder named location. It is not empty. Please note that the file and the password access, it can only be acquired from Zenly. And then you can just upload inside the app, get your zipped locations file ready, and tap upload, or you can upload on PC, and then you can use Google Chrome. You can choose to upload either the entire folder Zenly sent or the location file. So you need to have this locations file from Zenly. That's the bottom line. I don't know if it's still possible to get it. I think it was possible to get it during when Zenly was shutting down and they had this link. And then then you will just upload it. Your data will soon be uploaded. And so that's basically the idea. So something around that. So hope that is helpful. That's just like the app. Try it out. From all the apps which are trying to replace Zenly, this app has a pretty great shot to do it, because there was other apps like BFF app or some other apps. They spiked to the top rankings in the App Store for like a few weeks, but then they just went down. But this app seems to get pretty good reviews here and there. I don't know if it's available on Android and stuff, but seems it's a nice replacement for Zenly. So if you were a fan of Zenly, that can be your nice app to try out.